Okay, this is a video for all you FIFA fans out there. We've got a FIFA 10 disc, you can see.
With Madman, yeah.
And then see it's the PS3 logo on the back. We also got FIFA 12 here, and we got FIFA 13. And what I'm going to do is put it in the microwave. So, see? You hold the camera.
Yeah, I guess.
Stick that down. Fuck.
Vulgar language much. Got this nice microwave here.
Yeah, that's good, that one.
Are they standing?
Oh, fuck.
I want to put more duct tape on the FIFA 13 disc.
Put a matchstick on it.
It's a dog. A matchstick?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess hold it up.
So you still see the bottom of it when it's frying. Yeah, yes.
Does that work? Okay,
Yeah, it works.
so that's how we standing FIFA 13 video. FIFA 12 even. Alright. Hope you guys enjoy this. Everyone else who hates FIFA out there.
So this one. Okay.
FIFA
10, you see.
Okay, FIFA 10. This one will stand up fine.
Got the
But you might want to
stand for
spin
it.
it around.
Okay, no, it's okay. It's okay.
No, wait, okay, so I guess we're done.
What would you say? 30 seconds?
Maybe 20.
I'll take the matchbox.
Yeah, that's clever. Just keep the Max box in, Max. Yay.
Alright.
Sorry if the camera's shaking, I'm a bit cold.
Stop talking. You're ruining it.
Hey, this is going on my YouTube channel. I'm like, talk.
Yeah, it's going on my Facebook.
Yeah, but the link's being.
Alright, so let's see. Time 30 seconds. And stand back a bit just in case, you know.
Oh, damn, they fell over. Too bad.
You can still see them frying. Alright, we'll do it any second now.
Oh, God.
It's gonna stink like shit. Oh my god.
Get on fire.
Fuck.
I'll blow it out.
Oh, my head hurts. Wait, no. I'll try and film.
They're all setting back. Max, stop
You start again.
it. You stupid.
Okay, as you can see.
Jesus, discs lit on fire, well.
Fucking hell.
Guys, I think we should stop, Max.
Shit. Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
well, they're pretty much destroyed.
This is the FIFA discs, as you can see.
It's all screwed up.
FIFA 13, you know. 40 quid when I got it. Don't know why I did.
That was
I
a
got the
waste
other two donated, you can see.
Yeah, these are my discs here. This disc. Why are they gone all
Probably
green?
put them back in, see what that does. Like.
Gone all green, what the hell?
So yeah.
Jeez, why is this one look green?
FIFA discs.
What's wrong with that? It's good.
See where's FIFA? See, you can see.
This is FIFA 12, I believe.
I don't know if you can.
This
Well, you
one's
can
bad,
still
guys.
make out of it. Let's see.
Yeah,
Can't really
FIFA 13.
make much out anymore.
Don't know why the back's green.
FIFA 10.
It's 12.
That is 12, but there's a.
God.
Alright, cool.
Nice.
So probably gonna
Thanks for
give it
watching,
like
guys.
some sort of
Bye.
lung cancer, but it's good. Cool.